Hi everyone, teachers, parents, everyone and anyone who's interested in education. Some of you know us, some of you have visited our shop, but just so everyone can know, we're a shop that provides educational products for all ages, but specifically for Senko and early education. This is a new approach we're providing parents and educators where they can get an insight of the products they're getting before even going for it. So it's like a test run for the products they might choose in the classroom or at home and for the purpose of educating. So it's not, it's recreational, but more towards the education part. For the initial episode, we have one of the products we have, which is a Polish brand, as you guys can see, Marioinex. This particular toy is a mix of creativity with safety, with psychomotor skills, with counting, with color recognition and organization, depending on how the parents and the teachers approach. It's at the end of the day, the sky's the limit as long as you can get creative with it. Basically, this is the product. Some of the boxes, such as this one, the mini waffle, which would be this. There is the block version, which looks similar to, everyone can recognize the Lego, but the only difference is, as mentioned, is the safety part. So it's quite flexible, made of a rubber material. Kids can bite on it, nothing happens. And they come in different sizes, so there's a variety. So this one would be the block, and like I mentioned, it's like the Lego, but more towards the safety aspect. There's as well the farm, so this would be different models they can build. There's the princess version, castle princess as well. And so kids can go different colors, they can build different models. So let's say, for example, they're going to build a house, which is one of the most things people do when they see this. They start with building a house. So I'll go ahead and build a house, even though I'm not an expert builder. But if a child can do it, so can we. All right, so then you put this one. And then, you close this, or you put this here. You put this here. And you get a Bravo. Anyway, it could be better, but just so you guys can have an idea. As well, you can build different models. This is the book that comes with it. There's obviously different books, different models. And as well, you can, if you look at this, you can also scan and you get different models. And as well, you can do this into a 3D, 2D model using the phone, and it comes up and you can have a 3D, 2D picture of the model you want to build. So that would be on a more software basis. So as mentioned, this is Marioinex. If you're looking for a product that goes for creativity, for psychomotor skills, for counting, for color recognition, and as well, you want to keep the safety on the high level, this is one product to go for. We'll be presenting different products. Obviously, it would be shorter of a video, but we'll be presenting more and more different products. And you guys can have an idea about educational products you can provide for your kids, have an idea about them before buying them, and getting an insight of what's happening, what's the latest trends happening. So thank you for your time, and see you in the next episode.